Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to stop responses on Google Forms. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Form and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, we have the recent forms and right here in the top, we have start a new form. You can start a blank form or you can choose from these templates. If you want to expand the template list, go to template gallery, click here, and then you can choose any template that you like. I'm just gonna start a blank one, click on it, and then it will look like this in the beginning. So from here, you're gonna see the title, and right here, you're gonna see the questions. From here, you can change the theme. You can also add a header. You can change the text style, choose an image to add it as a header. For example, I'm going to choose this one and then click on insert. You can change the color. For example, I'm going to change it to blue and so on. Right now, if you come here, you can add a new question. And as you can see, guys, from here, you can select which responses you want. So as you can see, guys, right now the multiple choice is selected. You can click right here and then choose if you want short answer, a paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down. You can also file upload. You can select either you want linear scale, multiple choice grid, check box grid, and right here you're gonna find the date and the time. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.